just write here as short text. Employee name in short text means it accepts only the names, it doesn't only the text, it doesn't accept, means in names we don't have any numbers. So that if you want to do, we can select the short text. Next, designation, also required short text. Department, we have selected the lookup wizard, later we can see lookup wizard. Only some basics I am showing here. Department means short text. Address, long text, it accepts both text and also number. If you are giving that short text here, it doesn't accept the number. If you are giving the number, it doesn't accept the text. Both we required now. So if you want to write the both numbers and also a text at a time, we need to select here long text. Just example I am showing here. Employee ID, number or name, short text, designation, short text, department, address. After that, next what we have, marital status, means yes or no. Next, date of birth, just we will see the date of birth from the calendar. So select here date or time. If you want to give the salary, currency or number, just later options we can see. Just we will see now first what we have selected these options. After writing your field names and data type, entering the document, field name and data type, save the document. What is the shortcut key? Ctrl plus W. Just I am selecting here Ctrl plus W from the keyboard, or else we can select here into mark also. If you are closing this one, it will ask, do you want to save the changes? Yes, click on yes button. Option and give the name, table name, click on yes. It will ask the table name. What is your table name? Whether employee or whether product. If you want to leave as a table name also, we can leave as table name. After that, click on OK. And here, whenever you are giving the table name and clicking on OK, it will ask there is no primary key defined. So here it will ask yes or no. So if you want to give the primary key, just click on no, don't click on yes. Okay, click on OK, click on no for primary key. The table will be created. Why we need to click on no? We can see the later. Whenever we have started the tables, we can understand clearly. Created. Click on no. The table, whatever the data you have written, what we have written is like a headings. So what the headings you have written as a data type or a field name, just we can see on the table like a headings. Just double click on the table one. Here we can see employee ID, employee name, designation, department, address, marital status, date of birth, salary. All this we can see the as a headings. So this we can understand here clearly. If you want to create the tables, first we need to select here field names, means first we need to write here field names. According to our field names, we need to select the data type. So before doing any data type, we cannot create the tables. With the help of those data type only we can create our tables. Now we can see whatever the data you are entering. First, if you want to enter the details, we can enter the details here itself. Employee ID means I am giving here as 101 and enter the employee name. What is the designation of that employee and which department he works. What is the address? For example, I will show here. Here we have given an employee ID number. I am writing here text. I am not writing the number. It shows that the value entered does not match the number data type in this column. It is asking to select the entered new value. Means whatever the value you have entered in that column, it doesn't regards that text. It regards only the number. If you want to do that, just type here as a 101. It will accept the number. What is the address? An address we have given both means long text means it regards text as well as it regards the numbers also. So here just I am writing here as a text and also I am writing the number. It will accept. Marital status. If you are married, give the tick mark, otherwise leave blank. Date of birth. Date of birth, if you want to type, we need to have the calendar here. So whenever you select the date of birth column, the right side we can see small box. In that we can select our date of birth. From here if you want to write, just we can write. Salary. What the salary you are bearing to your employee, just write here salary. So in this way we can select our data and whatever the marital status you are writing, just we can see the marital status also, experience, date of birth, all those we can see in our table 1. On enter, I am entering the remaining details. Just example I am showing. I will explain later very clearly. If you want to change, we can change the year also. So after entering your data in your table, after your completion of your data, if you want to close, what is the shortcut key here? We can use the shortcut key Ctrl+W. We can see here steps here. Table will be created. Double click on the table. Enter the details. Of the employees. Based on required field name. After entering the data, save the table. Shortcut key, we should not press Ctrl plus yes. If you are entering as a Ctrl plus yes, it doesn't save the data. Just select here as a Ctrl plus W.